Hi guys, how are we doing? Hope we are all good. I'm good too. So today I drop. We're going to do 4 in 1. Yeah, 4 in 1, and all the 4 head drop is very simple. Okay guys, so just continue watching. Focus your eyes. The 4 head drop is so beautiful, and I know you will surely love it. Yeah, use rubber band to band that place. Then the back, I've bound the back and suck the rest in. So this place now, I'm using one rubber band to bound the front. Yes. So I'm trying to cover the back. So that place I have to suck it in. So the front now, the rubber band that I used to band from the beginning, I did not use that, but I used another one rubber band. The one I used to band the first one, I also used the same one to bound the second. You see, so not that I used different head wrap. You see that up, I later reduce it because it's too much, so I later reduce it. So I'm going to pin that place. I use pin to pin that place. I use pin to pin it. Yeah, then the second one I also use pin to pin it. When I discover that it's coming out so well, I reduce it, then use pin to pin it down. So guys, continue watching. Just focus your eyes. You can see that the hop is reducing now. You see, I've reduced it. So look, guys, you have to bring that place out. Bring it out. Guys, make sure you always try it so that you can get it. It's very simple, although it's not easy to wrap head wrap on your head by yourself, but since you're putting it into practice, you usually get it. Yeah, you get it. Okay guys, if today is your first time seeing my video, please help me to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Facebook page. Please guys, please, I'm begging. And also help me to share my video, please. I always beg you, please. So this is our first style. Yeah, this is our first style. You can use pin to pin that place. Yes, this is our first style. Then the second style, we start the second style now. Yeah, so you pin that one. I pin it. Yeah, then I stretch that one out. So I now use pin to pin that place down. You can see that all this style is very simple, very simple. Yeah, so that is the second one. You see now, just write it on the comment section. Your choice. Which style do you prefer most? Is it the number 1 or number 2, number 3 or number 4? So guys, I'll be expecting your comments at the comment section. So this is the third one. You see the third one? This is the third one. You see how the third one is looking at? So beautiful. Yeah. So beautiful. So the last one now, the last but not the least. So which one do you prefer? Guys, always try this thing. Also help me to share. I'm begging you guys, please help me to share. Please and please. So guys, focus your eyes and watch to the end. See you in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, please and please don't forget to follow my page and also share my video. Anytime, any day you come across my video, please guys, help me share. I'm begging. Please help me share. Help me share my video. Subscribe to my channel and also help me share, comment, and like. Thank you guys.